Hey guys, it's me Zed here, showing you another quick tutorial on how to use a razor blade to cut a bob. There's a reason why I like to use the razor blade sometimes is because it leaves the ends a little bit softer on the edges, unlike scissors, it leaves them a little harsh, and you can take weight off and length at the same time, which is a very quick, versatile tool. I'm using the Jatai feather razor. It's a really nice disposable blades. They're very sharp and they glide right through the hair. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as Him and Hair. Take care. Alright, so now that we're almost done with the length of the hair, we're going to start taking some of the weight. You'll see me lifting the hair and glide the blade from the middle of the hair towards the ends. This is a technique that helps take the weight off, leaving the hair a little bit more airy and tousled. One thing to really watch out for here, guys, is you don't want to put the blade against the hair and horizontal to the hair. You want to keep it parallel and flat as much as possible. This way you take more weight and less length. Otherwise you'll end up with a big hole in the hair. Alright, so now that we're done with the cut and blow dry, I just wanted to share a couple things with you guys about the color. This was an old balayage that grew out that we added some Cara color, conditioner purple to it, and it helped give it a little bit of a dusty lavender look. Now it's off to take some pictures.